Welcome to my channel Divination 777. So right now I'm going to do a general energy read. Keep in mind since it's general, so it may not resonate with everyone. So what do we have? I think I know where this is going. Even though we don't have clarification cards out yet, but I think I know this is twin flame reading or a higher soulmate reading. It will go there. So we have the ocean dragon here, intuition. Then we have silence. Then we have love. We have thoughts. And we have destiny. So basically right now the dragons are telling you to listen to your intuition. Just keep your thoughts in place. Like a lot of you are like just running in your head, like what should I do? Just see, you are running out of time. You guys know that. Either you or your person, take it as it resonates. So you know intuitively, you know that you are running out of time. You have like very strong intuition. You guys know intuitively that you are running out of time. You are silent. You shouldn't be silent. Like, see, the glass is like almost, the sand glass is almost it's finishing. Your silence can cause you loss of someone, loss of that kind of love that is destined, that is supposed to, like, you guys are supposed to be together. You could be either dealing with a higher soulmate or a twin flame. So you guys are destined to be together, but one person here, their silence, that person's silence is, that person is just lost in their thoughts. They are stuck in their head. Whoever this is, please get out of your head. You're losing time. And when the time finishes, you guys also intuitively know that the more you stay quiet, the more you lose time, and you will end up losing this destined love. So now just let's get more cards on this. What do our unicorns have to say about this? Okay, so we have help. So unicorns are one of the magical creatures, like one of the mythical creatures known to cause magic. So unicorns are saying help is on its way. So keep watching for it. You will be given an opportunity. It's possible that some of you are stuck. You guys are quiet for a reason. You guys are quiet because you are stuck with someone you don't want to be, and you want to move towards your destined partner. You know that this person, that this love is your destiny, is your wish fulfillment, and you know that they are your soulmate or your twin flame, and you know you are running out of time. So the guidance, the message unicorns want to give you is don't worry, help is on its way. So just be alert. If someone offers you help to get out of a situation that you are stuck in, just take that help. So like, just like if someone is casually talking about it and you open up to someone, just basically, I'm just going in circles because that's how your thoughts are, that's how your energy is. So just keep an eye out for help, because the divine is sending help. See this person, how he's stuck here. There are no stairs to go back. It's like, what to do? This person doesn't know how to swim. And see, the divine is sending help to this person. This person will just have to hop on, but this person can only see the unicorn, this help, and can hop on it and save themselves if they remove the hand from their head. Like they have covered their head, so just remove that hand and be on the lookout for help. The divine is sending you help. You will receive help. The divine will, because this is a destined connection, this is a destined love. So even now divine is like, now this is getting too much. This person needs to get out of here. This person is not meant to be here. This person is destined for someone else. Even you know that, but you are not able to get out of it. So divine, that is why divine is sending you help. So keep an eye out for help. Just whoever someone will offer you help. They will extend a hand of help. Just take it. You guys know, and you guys will know, because you are very intuitive. You guys will know who is offering genuine help and who is just being a snake, who will bite you in the end. So just trust your intuition whenever the help comes in. That's the energy I'm getting, that you guys are surrounded by a lot of sneaky people. You guys are surrounded by a lot of sneaky people. What messages do we have? Oops. Okay, so we have 4 messages here. See, someone walked away from this beautiful connection. You were in a connection, okay? You were in a beautiful destined connection, you or your person, and they self-sabotaged the connection. They left the connection on purpose because they felt that this is too good to be true. They felt like this is an illusion, and they felt this way because they hadn't healed from some past trauma or past relation they had. See, this is what happens when you don't heal from a relationship and you just jump into another. So this person just jumped from one relation to another without healing, and eventually their insecurities started projecting in this beautiful love, which caused a separation. Because, and this is for some of you, not all, because we have this message: it hurts me to see you with someone else. Don't give up on me. Let's fix this together. So after the separation happened, some of you could be with another person, or the person who walked away thinks that you are with someone else, but that is not true. So take it however it resonates. And we have, like I said, definitely twin flame destined connection, light versus dark, angel versus demon. So it was a spiritual journey. You both were on a spiritual journey, and yes, you both have learned what you were supposed to learn on this journey. You have completed your journey. Now divine destiny. That is why destiny card is here. So now the divine, the destiny is at play now. Now the divine is helping you. Divine is helping you and is bringing back this love together, because both of you have learned what you were supposed to learn, and we are going to have reconciliation. Of course, it's going to take a lot of work. Reconciliation is going to take work for the person who sabotaged the connection, who walked away. It's natural, because the other person will doubt you, but at the same time it will be eventually it will be successful, because it is destined. It will be worth it. It's so beautiful, so colorful. It is going to be worth it. It's destiny. You guys are destined to be together. You will be together. Reconciliation will happen. But of course, then it's up to you whether you take your person back or not, or whether you go and reconcile with that person, or the one who walked away, whether you leave the situation and reconcile with the person from whom you walked away. So we all have free will. Otherwise, if you guys work on it, if you fix this connection, if you fix this love, it's destiny. It's going to be really beautiful. It is going to be worth it if you decide to fix it, if you decide to reconcile. So let's get some advice from our Moonology oracle. So what does Moon have to say? So okay, so like I said, since you guys have learned, because this is a twin flame journey, since this is a twin flame journey, divine counterpart, higher soulmate, since you guys have learned your lessons, what you were supposed to, since you both have grown and completed your journey, so now divine is helping you. So divine is going to bring you together. Surrender to the divine. This is a situation you can't control, or what you can do is surrender to the divine, the one who walked away. Keep an eye out for help, because you guys are stuck in some kind of toxic situation. Divine is sending you help. Just take that help. Just surrender to the divine. And we have you are very close to achieving your goal. So if you are just thinking of giving up, don't do that. You are very close to achieving your goal. Divine has got your back. Your prayers have been heard. Okay, so just take time to breathe out. Just sit back. Your prayers, surrender to the divine. Divine has heard your prayers. So just sit back, relax, and keep, for the person who was stuck, keep an eye out for help. You will be helped, and you will be taken towards the person you love, to the person you are destined to be with. So that the help is very close. You're very close to achieving your goal. So just take a breather. Everything is going to fall back in place. I need few more messages from this deck. Angels are telling me to just get more messages from this deck. Moving to calmer waters. The storm is over. Peace. Divine is helping you guys. Divine is going to bring you guys back together. And anyone who is stuck in a situation, the other person could be stuck in some career situation, health situation, whatever, and one person is stuck, I'm getting is one person is stuck in a toxic relationship kind of situation, and someone is stuck in some kind of family or health situation that is also toxic. So that is going to sorry, my father just interrupted. Yeah, so that So both sides, the toxicity, Divine is just clearing out the toxicity, making the path, and you guys are going to reunite. Just keep an eye out for help, both of you. See, like I just said, everything will fall back in place. Cheer up, divine timing. So this was a lovely reading. So the divine destiny, everything will fall back in place. So relax, even if it doesn't feel like. Just be alert. You guys, both of you, the one who walked away, who sabotaged the connection, and the one who was hurt, both of you will get help. Toxicity is being removed from your life, from your lives, okay? And you guys will reunite. So this is what I have for you. Please like my video. It helps my videos to reach out to other people. If this resonated with you, please comment down below. I would like to know your stories. And subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell so that you know whenever my videos are uploaded. And if you want a personal reading from me, you can DM me on my Instagram. You can mail me. If you want to donate to the channel, the UPI ID link, whatever, will be given in the description box down below. Whatever the details are needed will be given in the description box down below. So guys, stay healthy, stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed.